Oh, tsunami! Yeah, you're gonna get soaked, Mark. A big one coming! Watch your rods! Fuck off. Trevally. Fuck it. Oh no. Oh, that broom, is it? Yeah. Oh, I just got him on the lip too, eh? Look at that, just. Whoop! Oh, he fell in the crack. It was spinning around. Oh, that's alright.
I have to go find a rock. I'm going to fill your pants.
Oh, he got his tail.
Yeah, but it went under. Look at this.
Yeah.
I thought it was something really big.
Oh, he's fucking huge, mate.
Yeah, but that's why it was coming in sideways,
Fuck yeah.
and I hooked it in the guts.
Fucking baited me, the bitch. Ah.